Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the problem from the subject Fluid Mechanics second unit first part B, that is unsteady flow. Okay, the problem statement is in a pipe of 600 diameter and 3000 meter length provided with a valve at its end, water is flowing with a velocity of 2 meter per second. Assuming velocity of a pressure wave c is equal to 1500 meter per second, find first one is the rise in pressure if the valve is closed in 20 seconds. Second one, the rise in pressure if the valve is closed in 2.5 seconds. Assume the pipe to be rigid one and take bulk modulus of the water as a 2 giganewton per meter. So, let's start with the solution. First of all, we write what is given in the problem statement. So, we write here solution, that is given data. They given the diameter of the pipe, that is 600 in meter. We convert it 0.6 meter. Length is nothing but the 3000 meter. Velocity 2 meter per seconds. C is equal to 1500 meter per seconds. C is nothing but the velocity of a pressure wave. K is the bulk modulus, which is having the value 2 giga Newton per meter square. For converting this giganewton per meter square into Newton per meter square, we have to multiply this factor into 2 into 10 raised to 9. So we get Newton per meter square. Okay. The material of the pipe is rigid. So we will write here the pipe is rigid. Now next is to find. In the problem statement we have to find the pressure. Okay, the rise in pressure for 20 seconds and the rise in pressure for the 2.5 seconds. So we have to calculate the P, which is nothing but the pressure. So we start with the solution. We name it as case first for the rise in pressure. If valve is closed in 20 seconds. So for that we write time is nothing but 20 seconds. For that we having the formula 2L upon C, where L is the length, C is nothing but the velocity of a pressure wave. So 2 into length is nothing but 3000, C is the 1500 meter per second. So finally we get the answer 4. So this ratio, that is 2L upon C, for the 20 second we get 4. Okay, as we know that if the term T is greater than 2L upon C, the valve is closed gradually. So we write here, we know that if time is greater than the term 2L upon C, then the well is closed gradually. Okay, after calculation we get the answer for the term or for the ratio 2L upon C is nothing but the 4, which is less than the time 20 seconds. So our next step is we write the rise in pressure that is P for gradually closure of valve, nothing but the rho LV upon T. Okay, this is the formula for calculating the rise in pressure for gradually closure of valve, where rho is the density, L is the length, V is the velocity and T is the time. Okay, so we having the density for water is 1000 kg per meter cube, length is nothing but 3000 and V is the 2 meter per second for the time 20 seconds. So we get the answer that is 300 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per meter square. Okay, so we write 300 kilonewton per meter square for the time 20 seconds. Okay, now this is the first answer. So for case second, we write the rise in pressure if the valve is closed in 2.5 seconds. Okay, here time is nothing but the 2.5 seconds. Since we write T is less than 2L upon C, then the valve is closed rapidly. Totally opposite condition from the above case. Okay, so our next step is we have to calculate the velocity of a pressure wave. So velocity of pressure wave is calculated by formula C is equal to under root K upon this is rho, which is nothing but the density. Here K is nothing but the bulk modulus and rho is the density. Okay, so we having the value for bulk modulus is 2 into 10 raised to 9, which is given, and density for the water is 1000 kg per meter cube. Okay, after solving this square root we get the answer 1414.2 meter per second. This is the velocity of a pressure wave in meter per seconds. Now the ratio, which is nothing but 2L upon C. Okay, 2 into length is 3000 and we calculate the value for the pressure wave velocity 1414.2 meter per second. So we get this ratio, that is 2L upon C is 4.24 seconds. Okay, now finally we write when the pipe is rigid, they are the giving material, that is rigid material, so the rise in pressure is due to rapidly closed, is given by formula. There is a formula, that is P is equal to rho into C into V. So rho is the density, C is the velocity of a pressure wave, and V is the velocity of a water. Okay, so we put the terms, that is density for the water is 1000 kg per meter cube, C, that is velocity of a pressure wave, is 1414.2, and velocity of a water is 2 meter per second. So we get the answer 2828.4 kilonewton per meter square. So this is our second answer. Okay, so in this problem they asked to find us the pressure. Okay, so here our final pressure, that is 2828.4 kilonewton per meter square. Thank you.